Hey, what's up everybody? It's Michael Montgomery with Renzo Real Estate, and today we're jumping into your market statistics in 60 seconds or less. Let's jump right in. So what are we seeing in the market? We are seeing an 18% decrease in sales this year versus last year. And a lot of signs are pointing to that being the changes in the mortgage rules that are causing that. We are down 24% over a long-term basis, so that speaks more to our market conditions. So that's not great news, but prices haven't actually trended downward too far. And mostly that's due to what's happening in the detached sector. So condo prices have trended downwards, but the detached sector has stayed quite strong, and in some neighborhoods it's actually increased. So that is really helping out the market. Long story short, we are starting to see some improvement in the marketplace, and we are starting to see some improvement in the economic conditions. So although numbers are down a little bit this month, we're hopeful as we start to move into the spring market and into the summer. Thank you very much for watching this.